Hello, I am Dr. Samana Nadig, a homeopathic physician practicing at Raghav's Homeopathic Clinic, HSR Layout, Sector 2, Bangalore. So today let's discuss on hair loss and what homeopathy can do in helping with the hair loss. So hair loss is one common issue that's been seen in everyone these days. So just like everything, even our hair has a birth and death. So let's understand what are the stages in the hair cycle. So hair also has stages in its growth. So there are 4 stages called anagen, catagen, telogen and exogen. So in anagen phase, it is an active period where the hair grows for about 2 to 7 years and it remains in the scalp for 7 years. So your length of the hair determines how long the active or the anagen phase is in the person. So in the rest of the phases, catagen and telogen phase, the hair prepare itself to fall off. So this starts from first month to the 3rd month. And then in the exogen phase, there is fall of hair and the new hair follicle starts growing. So in this stage, there is hair fall that happens every day, wherein there is amount of 50 to 100 hair falls, which is common. So coming to the causes, there are several factors that can cause hair fall. One being the genetic reason. So if there is any genetic history where your ancestors, your grandparents, our parents having this genetic issue wherein they are prone to hair fall, they have baldness. So there is a chance of you having alopecia or hair loss that can happen. Along with this, some nutritional deficiencies, vitamin deficiencies or protein intake is very low, because hair is something that is formed from protein. So when there is no proper amount of protein intake, there is unhealthy hairs forming and the hair loss is more. Along with that, some disorders, endocrinal disorders like thyroid, PCOD, hormonal issues also can give rise to hair fall. And lifestyle activities like not having good food or limiting yourself to fast food, or the type of hair care that you routine or that you follow, like prolonged ironing or dyeing your hair or using curlers, all those stuffs can give rise to hair fall. Along with that, some medical conditions, as I mentioned earlier, thyroid, or if you're taking treatment to any cancer related issues or any hormonal issues, as a side effect of medicine, you can also notice hair fall. So treatment depends on what is the cause. So we try to identify what is the reason that is leading to hair fall and try to administer treatment to that issue. So if you have hair fall because you have a thyroid issue, you have hair fall because you have a PCOD, or if you have hair fall because you have anemia, we try to find out what is the cause and our medicines are given to correct the issue so that the hair fall gets normalized. So basically in homeopathy, we try to take the history of yours completely, try to understand what is the reason you are having a hair fall and try to fit in the correct treatment which can help you come out of this issue.